Good morning students. 7th class science we were reading chapter number 10. We are reading about the mechanism of breathing. Here firstly we will discuss about the during inhalation. Inhalation means when we are taking gas inside our body. When we are taking gas inside our body, the ribs move up and outward. Ribs that will move up and outward, and diaphragm which is present here that will move down. These movements increase the volume of chest cavity. Our chest cavity volume will increase and lungs will expand. Why? Because air is filled in the lungs. That's why the lungs will expand and chest cavity volume will increase. As a result, pressure inside the lungs decreases and fresh air rushes into the lungs. Fresh air will go into the lungs. During inhalation, chest expand. Next is during exhalation, means when we are giving out, breathing out the gas, then what will happen? The ribs move down and inward and diaphragm will move up. Due to these movements, volume of chest cavity decreases. In case of inhalation, volume of chest cavity will increase, but in case of exhalation, volume of chest cavity will decrease and lungs will contract. There, in case of inhalation, lungs expand, but here lungs will contract. As a result, why? Because gas will expel out from our body. As a result, pressure inside the lungs increases and air pushed out of the lungs. Air will come out from the lungs. Next is, why do we breathe out? What do we breathe out? Means which gas we are breathing out. The exhaled air contains carbon dioxide and water vapor. Which air we are exhaling, which air is coming out from our body, that air contains carbon dioxide and water vapor. To confirm the presence of moisture and carbon dioxide in exhaled air, we will perform these activities. First activity is to show that which air we are exhaling that contains moisture. How we will show it? Take one mirror and exhale air, blow the exhaled air from that mirror to that mirror. What you will observe? You will observe that mirror will become hazy. Why? Because water droplets are accumulate or a deposition of water vapors on water droplets on the mirror. This shows that exhaled air contains moisture. Next activity, we will show that exhaled air contains carbon dioxide. Take one test tube. Here you will fill the lime water. Fill in that test tube lime water. Exhale air from in that test tube. What you will see? Lime water will becomes milky. Why? Because which air we exhaling, that air contains carbon dioxide. When carbon dioxide is reacting with the lime water, then the color of lime water will becomes milky. Next is difference between breathing and respiration. Breathing is external respiration and this respiration is cellular respiration, or you can say internal respiration. That both difference we will read. Breathing is a physical process. It involves exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. And respiration is the biochemical process in this breakdown of food to produce carbon dioxide, water and energy. It occurs outside of our body. It is occurring inside our body. No enzymes are involved in this process. Here enzymes are involved. No energy is involved or absorbed. Here energy is evolved also and energy is absorbed also in this process. Thank you.